How to recover your Bybit account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to recover your Bybit account, then first of all launch open the Bybit app or visit the Bybit website and get to the sign-in page. Inside the sign-in area, type in your email address or your phone number and tap next. Tap on login with password and in the password box just tap on having trouble logging in. On the next page, select whether you'd like to reset your password with email or phone number. Just go ahead and choose one and then select the site. Go to the email tab and write down your email address. Now click on reset password. On the next page, go ahead and tap on get code under the email option and you'll receive a verification code sent to you via your registered email. Go open up your email inbox and you'll receive the email from Bybit. Open it up, copy the code inside it or manually type it down inside the Bybit app. Now go to the next field and click on get code right under SMS option. Wait for the SMS that will be sent to you on your mobile or on your WhatsApp. Just type it down and click confirm. Now, enter the new password you want to change to for your Bybit account in the first field. Make sure to include the criteria given underneath. Go ahead and enter the new password once again in the next field and finally click on reset password. After doing so, your password will be reset successfully. Next time, go ahead and log in with your newly updated password whenever prompted. And finally click login now. And that's it. You have been successfully logged in with the newly updated password. That's how you recover your Bybit account or reset your Bybit account's password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.